Good morning, everyone. How are you guys doing today? Peyer Daniel here, and today is the new day of 2018, and we are about to have a new experience. My resolution of 2018 is to have more experiences and to adventure more. What is your goal? Comment below. This is kind of a goal that's been continuing on for the last couple years. I want to be able to make better vlogs, have better content, have new experiences overall that you guys can see and that I can share with you guys and the world. So today we are in Palm Springs as usual. And we are going to see RoboLights. So this is a new experience. I've never seen this before. I am here to show you guys what it's all about, and hopefully you guys will visit Palm Springs and see this same, I guess, museum it is. But yeah, let's get to it and I'll show you around. This is the new outfit of 2018. Look at that. Got some red shoes on. Got the light blue jeans and the long Abercrombie shirt. Well, if you say I don't look good, I am just going to think to my opinion, and I think I look great. So we are going to go with that, and let's go. This is actually really cool, but also really freaky. There's a lot of pictures and a lot of people that are all messed up with. There was Pooh Bear with his guts hanging out. It's an interesting display, but it is pretty cool. It is honestly just getting more and more creepy as we go. Oh, you know. Just hanging out with the gingerbread man. Not much, you know. Just chilling with him. So guys, that was definitely interesting. But again, this is 2018. It's time for new adventures, new experiences. So that is what this is all about. So I hope you guys are excited to see more. And remember, just keep living life.